Welcome to Cronos Technical Review, your trusted source for daily CRO market analysis, charts, and technical insights. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be considered financial or investment advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Any price analysis, predictions, or market insights shared in this video are based on personal opinions and publicly available data. I am not responsible for any financial losses you may incur based on the information provided. Invest responsibly and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto.com has just reclaimed the #1 position among global crypto spot exchanges, and this time it's not based on hype or marketing claims, but on hard data and institutional-grade metrics. But what exactly is the Kaiko Spot Exchange Ranking? Who decides it? And more importantly, why does it matter for traders, investors, and CRO holders? In this video, we break everything down step by step, covering security, liquidity, partnerships, regulation, and finally what all of this realistically means for the future of CRO. Make sure you watch till the end, hit the like button, and subscribe for more Crypto.com and Cronos ecosystem updates. Before we dive in, a quick word from today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Obsidian Swap and their clever quest system on the Cronos chain. With every trade you make on Cronos, you can complete quests and earn diamonds. Once you collect 21 diamonds, you can head to the store and redeem a mystery reward. It's a simple and interactive way to stay active on Cronos while earning extra incentives along the way. You'll find the Obsidian Swap link in the description below, so be sure to check it out and start completing quests today. It's been a massive week for Crypto.com as the exchange officially reclaimed the #1 position in the Kaiko Spot Exchange Rankings. The team publicly thanked their community and partners for their continued trust, making it clear that security, liquidity, and product excellence remain the core focus. This ranking confirms that Crypto.com is moving in the right direction. What makes this even more interesting is Kaiko's historical ranking data. For a long time, Coinbase dominated the #1 position, but in Q4 2024, Crypto.com entered the race, and by Q4 2025, it once again secured the top spot. This shows that Crypto.com didn't just win once, but demonstrated consistency over time. Interestingly, Q4 has often been a strong period for Crypto.com, usually aligning with increased market activity and stronger institutional participation. The key question now is whether they can maintain this position in the long term. So how does Kaiko actually rank exchanges? Kaiko is one of the most respected crypto market data providers, widely used by institutions, regulators, and professional traders. Its spot exchange ranking evaluates platforms across multiple categories and assigns ratings ranging from lower tiers up to AA and theoretically AAA. This quarter, no exchange achieved a AAA score, making Crypto.com's AA rating the highest awarded. Other exchanges in this tier include Kraken, Bitstamp, OKX, Gemini, Coinbase, and Binance. Anything below this level raises serious concerns, especially when it comes to custody standards, transparency, and user protection. One of the main reasons Crypto.com scores so highly is security. Kaiko's security assessment is based on a detailed rulebook that evaluates cold storage infrastructure, client asset segregation, security certifications, bug bounty programs, history of hacks, and the presence of a chief security officer. Crypto.com checks every single box. Most importantly, the exchange has no history of major security breaches, which is extremely rare in the crypto industry. Beyond security, Crypto.com also scores strongly in business stability, data transparency, and technology infrastructure. While liquidity ranks slightly lower than security, it remains at an institutional-grade level. All of these factors combined explain why institutions feel comfortable engaging with Crypto.com. This level of trust is already translating into real-world partnerships. In just the past week, Crypto.com announced collaborations with Lulu Financial Holdings, ENA Money, and Sirius International Holding. Lulu Financial and ENA Money are major players in the UAE and the broader Middle East, a region rapidly positioning itself as a global crypto hub. The Sirius partnership is particularly significant as the company is exploring asset tokenization and blockchain-based financial infrastructure, potentially through ADI chain and even the Cronos ecosystem in the future. Large institutions do not partner with exchanges unless there is deep trust, regulatory alignment, and proven security, and these deals highlight Crypto.com's growing influence beyond retail crypto users. Another major development is the appointment of Crypto.com CEO Chris Marszalek to the CFTC CEO Innovation Council in the United States. This council includes leaders from CME Group, Nasdaq, Kraken, Gemini, Polymarket, and Crypto.com. Notably absent from this list is Binance. This shows that leadership in crypto today isn't just about size, but about credibility, compliance, and collaboration with regulators. With emerging sectors like real-world assets and prediction markets gaining momentum, regulators clearly want responsible industry leaders at the table, and Crypto.com is firmly positioned among them. At the time of recording, CRO is trading around the $10 level, and while many viewers expect immediate price movement after positive news, this behavior is actually normal. CRO is not a hype-driven asset. It is a platform and utility token whose price historically lags while infrastructure, regulation, and institutional trust are being built. Crypto.com is currently focused on long-term fundamentals such as regulatory engagement, high-level partnerships, exchange security, and global credibility, all of which are foundational rather than short-term price catalysts. At the same time, Bitcoin remains range-bound and undecided, and when BTC lacks clear direction, capital typically does not rotate aggressively into altcoins like CRO. In previous cycles, CRO has only moved once these foundational elements were in place and broader market conditions aligned. While this does not guarantee immediate upside, being tied to a top-ranked, regulation-facing exchange significantly improves CRO's long-term risk-reward profile compared to purely speculative tokens. Personally, I feel confident trading on an exchange that ranks #1 globally for security and reliability. Knowing that the CRO token is directly linked to this ecosystem makes me increasingly bullish on its long-term potential. If you want to learn more about Cronos, I recently released a detailed video on the Cronos One platform, which is definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments where you think Cronos, CRO, is heading next. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon for daily Cronos updates and in-depth crypto analysis.